Morning of day 4 here, and got up pretty early with someone. We're doing 19 miles. I forget the name of the shelter, but we're coming from Neels Gap, and we're just trying to get there before the thunderstorm. So we woke up early at 6 a.m. and it's just raining all day. That's great, but I got my frog togs, which is perfect. That's all I need. And my windbreaker pants. So, doing good, feeling good. Just took my caffeine, so that energy will be kicking in any minute now. I'll be trying to post videos, but at Neels Gap, we stayed at the cabins and they didn't have Wi-Fi, except for like in the main building, so I'll try to upload videos probably on 4G for some part, because my data resets soon and I have some data left, so I think in order to get some videos out, I'll upload on 4G whenever I have good service. So just checking in, not doing too many updates. I've been hiking with like really a lot of different people, but already on my 4th day, really meeting a lot of people, good people, and it's been a great time. So I mean, this is just the start of it. See ya. Checking in, not too much later than my last clip, but I just want to say that hiking in the rain and the cold, and I'm still loving it. It is just awesome. I don't know why, but I love hiking. You know, it is only day 4. Great experiences, one of the best experiences so far in my life. But I mean, I'll definitely get the ups and downs up here later. But right now, I got a lot of energy, a lot of stamina, and we'll see how long that lasts too. So, I mean, you guys will see the progression throughout the days. You can tell me if I look exhausted or not by the end of this. Just look how foggy it is right now. You barely can see in front of you. And then looking over here, all the mountains are covered in fog. So we're like, I don't even think we're at the top of this mountain, but it's really windy up here and very foggy. This is Georgia for you. Wet, but with some beautiful views. I'm guessing once I get higher up, I'll probably see maybe a better vista, but this is just pretty good for now. So here we go. The mountains of Georgia. And a bit foggy since it's raining all day, but you can still kind of make out them in the distance. Made it to Tennessee Cap, if you can read that over there. Yep, that's where I'm at. Crosses the road and comes over here. It's a nice stream. I don't need water yet. I'm not gonna get it. But uphill, and then after that uphill is small little ups and downs. So those won't be too bad after this. But this looks pretty straight up. So I'm gonna turn off the camera. It's raining pretty good out here now. My first instance of no rain, no pain, no main. Yeah, it's pretty rainy out here. But doing 19 miles and I'm not stopping. Nope. No siree. Still raining, but looks like there's a lot of fallen trees around here. And this huge tree that fell down here seems to be pretty big as well. A lot of destruction. I guess the one guy was saying all from Hurricane Irma last year, and they cleared it all out, I guess, for this year. Pretty awesome maintenance. Huge downfall over here. Looks like they had to cut trees in half here. Seems pretty bad. We just got out from Blue Mountain Shelter and started hiking today. It's day 5. The aim is Dix Creek Gap, but that is 19 miles for the day. And if we go there, the free shuttle only runs at 9 a.m. and 11 a.m. for the budget end, so might try to hitch, I guess, with the one dude I'm hiking with. He's hiking pretty fast too. Otherwise, maybe top of Georgia Hostel, which gives you free shuttles. I'm not sure if they run at any time or what. Might be a little screwed, we'll see. I noticed in, let's see, we'll see it in this one, how bouncy it is. I noticed in my footages, the front camera, selfie camera, actually seems to be more stable than the back camera, and I'm trying to figure out how to get that more stable, because that one actually has video stabilization on it, so it's a little weird why some sections, if I'm hiking and bouncing around a lot, why it would be so unstable. Because yeah, no one wants to watch something like that. But I mean, I have over 100 days to figure it out, so maybe see my video quality improve in video editing as well. But right now it's kind of like low quality footage. At least I feel I can do a lot better, so I'm gonna try to improve. Unicoi Gap. Somehow it's showing up a little dark. And then we have, no, going that way, Little Gap and Hog Pen Gap. I don't even remember seeing them in the rain, so. But this is one place where you can get picked up by a shuttle. But I'm going further, so I'll just check it out. See all the cool things the Gap has. I think this is supposed to be one of the springs you fill up at. Doesn't look much like a spring, but some rapids. We got a lot of water, and plenty of water to fill up at. Coming out of Unicoi Gap, that's one very long, very steep hill to climb. Took me a while. Just wish everyone else good luck. So that is a nasty hill. You gotta just take your time on that one. Wow guys, look at that view. It's beautiful. Yep, it's gorgeous. I had to do that at least once. Just once. So, we actually are at, I think it was like Tracy Mountain, and it's pretty foggy, so no views, nothing too much to see. So it's like, you know, you're just seeing the same thing right now. Too bad there's no views to check out, but sorry about that. Weather does what weather wants.